Yes, very good morning. So let's start today's class.
Hello.
All of you, first of all, please mute your microphones. All of you mute your microphones, then I will start. Okay. So today I will take your English class and the chapter I was taking from Marigold, right? From Marigold I was taking the chapter First Day at School. First Day at School. All of you mute your microphones. Why do I need to tell this every day? Debayon Mullik. And Debayon, switch off your camera. Deborshi, why dear? You then how you are sending message? Okay, so let's start the chapter I was doing, that is the first day at school. I have completed reading the chapter and also given you some spellings to practice, and today I will start with the exercise part. Okay, so all of you open page number 2, and all of you take your copy with you, because I will write the question answers today, means the exercise part. Okay, so in page number 2, look at the reading is fun part. In the reading is fun part, there we can see 3 questions. Let's solve these 3 questions. Okay, Opronil, on know what is the problem you are having? Okay, maybe it might be your network connection, because here it is everything fine, dear. Okay, so who are having problem, please continue. Just check your internet connection, then try to join. Okay. Apart from Debayon, everyone is able to see me? Apart from Debayon, everyone is able to see me? Yes or no? I think everyone is able to see me, because from here it is no problem. So yes, everyone can see me. Please Debayon, check your internet connection, then join again. Okay. So let's continue with our exercises. We will do the 3 questions from the reading is fun part. All of you take out your copy and look at the questions. First question: what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? So in the first question, what does the child in the poem, what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? Think about his drawing. So the answer will be he thinks whether his drawing, you can also write the child thinks, he thinks whether whether his drawing will be as good as his friends. Will be as good as his friends. Okay? So write the answer carefully without making any mistake. Okay? So the first question is, what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? So the answer is, he thinks whether his drawing will be as good as his friends. Okay? Write it down carefully. He thinks whether his drawing will be as good as his friends. Okay? Now come to question number 2. All of you write it down carefully in your copy and let me know when you have completed. Okay? Question number 2. What does the child wonder about his teacher? Whenever you will complete, just let me know. Okay? Question number 2. What does the child wonder? What does the child wonder about his teacher? All of you have completed the first question. Okay, because the second question answer I cannot write over here, I cannot manage to complete. So I need to erase the question number 1. Then I will write the second question, the answer of the second question. Okay. So all of you, let me know, all of you, that you have completed. I am repeating once again, that what does the child in the poem think about his drawing? The answer will be, he thinks whether his drawing will be as good as his friends. Okay? Let me know, all of you, because I need to erase the question number 1 to write the answer of question number 2. Okay. Mute your microphone. Why do I need to tell this every day? Adrij, Ankita Shamanto, please mute your microphones. I don't know why do I need to say this every day. Okay, so I am erasing the number 1. Number 2 answer. Okay. Question number 2, that is, what does the child wonder about his teacher? So the answer will be, the child wonders whether his teacher would look like his mother or grandmother. His mother or grandmother. Okay? Yes. Yes, you can write it as mom or gran also, but this will be more perfect. Okay, write this answer carefully. Okay. So the question number 2, what does the child wonder about his teacher? So the answer will be, the child wonders whether his teacher would look like his mother or grandmother. Okay. Abrunil, here from our side, here it is no problem. It might be your internet problem. Please cut the call and then rejoin. Okay. How can I help you from here? Because I can see from here it is no problem. I can see myself in my computer. So question number 2 is, I am repeating once again, that what does the child wonder about his teacher? The answer will be, the child wonders whether his teacher would look like his mother or grandmother. Okay. Yes, Abrunil, I can understand that you are having problem, but from our side here it is no problem. I can see myself in my computer. Okay, so please cut the call and then rejoin. Okay, so all of you have done. Will I erase this part? Will I erase this part? Because I will write the question number 3. I am erasing this part, okay? Question number 3, it is saying, do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? Do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? So, yes or no? Just yes, right. So the child would like to carry. So yes, obviously, yes, the child. Mute your microphones who have unmuted. Yes, the child will like to carry his puppy to school. His puppy to school. Okay. Yeah, right. So yes, the question I am repeating, do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? And the answer is yes, obviously. Yes, the child will like to carry his puppy to school. Okay. So this is how the 3 questions from here is completed. All of you have noted it down? Yes, all of you have done? Mute your microphone. Okay, and today we also don't get much time to proceed further. Okay, so today I have done only the reading is fun part, that is the 3 questions, and the let's talk part and the other pages from this chapter. The other, we can say, the very easy exercises, we can say, that is left from this chapter. We may complete this in your next class. Okay, and if you can do this, you can obviously do that. I will discuss this in your next class. Okay, and in your next class I may also start a grammar chapter from your grammar book. Okay, and the parts that are left from this chapter I may discuss in your next class. Okay, okay, so all of you have done. Now please give your present now. Yeah, all of you, please give your present. All of you have done with this work. Mute your microphone. No one will leave the class until I finish taking present. Ankita Samanto, I am muting you and you are continuously unmuting. Please don't unmute. Ankita Samanto. Ankita Samanto, you have again unmuted. Antarip. Okay. Where is Antarip? Darsh. Okay, students, I have taken all of your present. Okay, and all of you, I think all of you have completed these questions. Okay, and the rest exercises I may discuss in your next class. Okay, so today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye all of you. Bye. Bye.